Here we have the Pioneer 15 Allround Advanced Edition package heading out today to a customer on the west coast of Scotland. The Advanced Edition package for a Pioneer 15 is a great fit because effectively it has everything that you would need to enjoy on your day out on the water. So the 15 here is sitting on a RESPO trailer. We pair all our Pioneer boats now with RESPO trailers because you've got so many rollers, which makes it so much easier to launch and recover, as well as your step is standard. And no lighting boards. So just launching, recovering is an absolute doddle on this RESPO trailer. Included in your Advanced Edition package, you've got the full set of grab rails at the front here and at the stern, which is critically important for the safety of your passengers. We've got this telescopic ladder, which gives you great depth into the water. So if you're doing a bit of swimming, a bit of diving, whatever you're doing, you'll easily manage to get up no matter how much equipment you're wearing. Pioneer uprated the hull a couple of years ago now, I think, to 40 horsepower. So on the water test here, we were getting approximately 25 knots. So it's some performance you get with your 40 horsepower there.
Hello, James Hogan here from Caley Marina, bringing you the best tips and tools to help build the right Pioneer boat for you. On this channel we do Pioneer boat reviews and engine reviews, so you should consider subscribing. If there's a video you'd like to see from us in the future, please feel free to comment below.
This customer has opted to go for an auxiliary setup as a backup to the main engine. If you service your main engine and have the correct communication tools with you, it's not fully necessary. However, it does give you peace of mind just in case something goes wrong with the main engine. At the stern, we've got the transducer on the Pioneer sliding bracket. So that means when the boat's been launched, you don't need to worry about your transducer coming off there. Also included in your Advanced Edition package, your stainless steel A-frames. That gives you plenty of protection at the back of your vessel when manoeuvring. You've got that safety net behind you, as well as the navigation lights and somewhere to pop your radio. Console steer set up this package, and the customer's got your fixed VHF, so you've got your communication devices, your Garmin chart plotter, and just your side mount control. So nice and basic with your screen and grab rail, which means you're protected from the elements and you can stand when you're operating the vessel. And lastly, to talk about the cushions, again included in your Advanced Edition package, these cushions make it a much more comfortable day out in the water.